Hello, good morning, Cecilia. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello po ma'am, good morning. I'm Cecilia Trinidad from Occidental, Mindoro. I'm 44 years old. I have 6 kids, 5 brothers and 1 daughter. And the age is 23, 21, and 19, and 7. The daughter is only 10 years old.
And what is your educational attainment?
I'm graduate for computer secretarial in Occidental, Mindoro.
Okay. How about your country and years of experience?
My experience in UAE is it's okay in my employer. It's kind and very
Okay. So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work to Hong Kong because I have a college student here in the Philippines. I have no permanent employer here at the Philippines. I have no work.
So, you want to have a better future for your family.
Yes.
Okay. So, how many years do you see yourself working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
2 years, okay. So you promise to finish the 2-year contract?
Yes.
Okay. So in your past employer, what are your duties?
My duties is to clean the house every day, and that's clean the clothes. That's
Okay. So do you also take care kids or newborn baby, elderly?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in taking care of the kids, what are the important things that you need to do?
The important things is to care the baby, to eat on the time,
Eat all the time.
and then take a bath on the time.
Okay. What activities that you suggest or that you do during their free time?
Play the kids.
Playing with the kids. Okay. So, do you also cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, in your past employer, so you always cook?
Yes.
Okay. So, here in Hong Kong, mostly the dishes is Chinese dish. Okay. Are you familiar with that?
Not yet.
Not yet. But are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing
Okay.
to.
So, if we will be given you a recipe, can you follow it well?
Yes.
Okay. So, we also want to ask if you have, if you are willing to share room with the kids in case the job offer is share room or kids or elderly.
If emergency, ma'am, I'm okay to share my.
Okay, okay. So, how about if you have a co-helper?
Yes, ma'am. Of
Okay,
course.
okay. So, as a first timer in Hong Kong, we want to promise. Can you promise us not to borrow any money with your employer or
Yes,
any
ma'am.
lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay. So, any message with your future employer?
Hi, madam. Please help me to go at Hong Kong for my kids. Thank you.